Did you know that the Amazon rainforest is often referred to as the lungs of the earth? It produces more than 20% of the world's oxygen and is home to an astounding variety of wildlife. Did you know that the Amazon rainforest is home to approximately 10% of all known species on Earth? From vibrant birds to unique mammals, its biodiversity is unmatched. Did you know that the Amazon rainforest is not only a habitat for wildlife, but also for many indigenous communities? These tribes have lived sustainably in harmony with nature for thousands of years. Did you know that the Amazon rainforest is facing serious threats from deforestation and illegal logging? These activities have devastating effects on its ecosystem, biodiversity, and the global climate.